Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Greg, and in this video I'll be showing you how to design beautiful screens like this one here on the screen. Yeah, this one. So we will be taking the series designing the whole of this, okay, and then we can also choose to add a backend to it. All right, yeah, so we are going to be designing this, and I believe you're excited to follow up this series. Okay, so this is Figma. I just picked this design randomly on the Figma community. You can search for it and also implement it as we build in the video. Okay, so you have to create a new project. This is my dashboard, FlutterFlow dashboard. So you click on new project. You can call it school me. So let's just say school me. School me. You can call it school me. Then start building project. Okay, all right, so our project is ready. Then we have the default page here as usual, and then we have to delete this. Let's get rid of this first. Come to widget tree. All right, so we will be designing this page. Okay, we'll start with the first one, which is this one. Okay, yeah, so let's check. All right, the properties are available. So what we do first is that we're going to wrap this inside a container, where it's wrap widget container. Then we're going to expand this container. We expand it, both the width and the height. Alright, so we need to download this elements. We need to download this element. Let's download this one. Okay, export. Come to export. Should this make it 3x? Then we say export. Alright, the image is exported. Okay. Then is there any other thing we need to export? No, all of this is button. We come back. We are going to add an image widget. Image. Then we come to here, we change it to yes, asset, so we can upload the image. We're going to upload the image we've downloaded. Yep, this is it. So we open. Alright, so let's check the size of the image so we could know. It's 324 by 324. So we come to the image size, 324 by 324. Yeah, and then we come back again. We have a text here. Yeah, this other one is bold. So let's insert a row. Click here, insert a row. Okay, then in the row we'll insert a text. Yep, Then we can just duplicate this. Okay, so come back. Yep, we can copy the text. So alright, then this other one, you come back again, you click here, you select it, then you copy it, then we paste it here again. Alright, let's check this one. It's bold. Okay, okay, I think the font size is 20, semi-bold and 20. So we come here, we make semi-bold, scroll down, semi-bold at 600, then we make it 20. Yep, for this other one too, we come back, we need to get this exact color, and this is the color, select it and copy, 18, medium and 18. So this one is going to be medium, this is medium, and here is going to be 18. Alright, you set these ones to the middle, you click on the row, then you set them to the middle. Alright, so okay, it's a bit far from this one, there's some space in here. I can't really get this spacing, but let's just push it away. Let's push it away to make our design look good. Give it a pattern bottom, 20, 30, okay. Then we leave it, we come back. Then we need to create the sign up button and the skip button. Then we come back to our row. Alright, so I believe you're following up on what I'm doing. If you're not, you can watch my previous videos for rows and columns of how they work, okay, so you can understand how to arrange them. You can see I'm displaying these elements or inside the column because I want them to appear vertically as the design I've shown us already. So we need to add a button. Simply search here, button. Yes, there are different ways to create a button. You can choose to use a container to create it. Yes, so we have a sign up, the text is sign up, sign up. Yes, let's check the width, and okay, 267 by 61. So we put it here and we put it here again, 61. Alright, and we need to get the color as well. So this is the color they're using. Copy, come here, we add the color. No, not border color, fill color. You paste it, then you press enter. Alright, then we can duplicate this. Let's duplicate it so we can add the other one, the skip. Why not clicking? Oh, the skip button is not clicking. Is it a button? Let's just add it as a button. Okay, I didn't copy the text color. Okay, let's copy this. Then this other one, we are going to the second button is going to be white. Enter. Okay, so the text will change. The text here is skip. Okay, what's the font size? I think the font size is 18 and regular. Okay, font size regular. I will just put it on normal. Then 18. Yes. Then the font, the color of the text. We copy this, then come back here and text color, paste it here, enter. Okay. Then of course we have to push it a bit from the other one. Yeah, we have to push it a bit. Let's just say 20. No, not this one. The one in blue. The guy in blue. 20. Alright. So again, the guy in blue needs to come down a bit. Yes, it needs to come down. Or let's give this one the text, the row which contains this last text here. Give it 20. Okay, to space it away from. It needs to go further. Let's say 40. Okay. Alright, to our best, we are trying to duplicate that design and to get the exact thing there. There's okay, I think 72 from here to 72. Okay. Let me see again. 106. Okay, from here to here 106. Then from here 72. 106. Okay, let me try that. But that will be way too much. 106. 106. Okay. That's too much. The spacing is too much. And okay, let me see. It's so much, and then we just need to reduce this. Actually, we need to reduce it. We should reduce it to maybe something 60. Okay, sign up. Oh yes, like this is better. Alright, so let's just move on to the other screen. So this is the second screen. Okay, this one you should still download this again. So export. Then we export it. Alright, we have email address, then we have the inputs and the sign up. Alright, let's see about that. we have to create a new page. What's the name of this page? This is sign in screen, and this other one is home screen 1. Sign in, the sign in screen. Sign in 1, sign up screen 1. Okay, this is the sign up screen, and this is a sign in screen and the sign up. Okay, yes. We need to create a new page. We're going to call it create the sign in page. So create page. Alright, get rid of that. Then we quickly come, okay, we already downloaded this, so we'll come to your widget tree, wrap this inside wrap inside a container. Then okay, expand the container, make it expandable across the width and height. Then we come to this one, we insert an image widget, yes, and what again, we insert text field. Okay, this is it, a text field. We insert the text, yes, we insert the text widget, text, I think the text will be down. Okay, like this. So let's check the size of this one. It's 266 by 266. So that is both the height and width. 266 266. Okay. So we go back. Okay, what's the size? The size is 16 medium. 16 and medium. Then we have this other one. So quickly, email address, right here, email address, oh, we are not done with this. Then we have medium and 16 divided, we have medium here. All right, okay, wait, let me wrap this image inside a row. Wrap inside a row, then I set it to middle. Okay, then for the column I can say okay, let me check. Alright, let's just leave it like this. Maybe we can space this column a bit, pattern from both sides. We say we can give it 10. I said 20 and 20 here. Alright. Then the row, give it below 20. Then for the text area, okay, the width is 343 by 53. So let me check. Where is the width? It seems to have passed this thing. Line height, text area. Okay, so we have 343, 343 is the width. Okay, then text, we need to change that. We need to change it to email, right? A placeholder. Okay, we have something like name@example.com, so we can simply copy it. So we paste it here. There is a place we can paste that. Let me check. Yes, this is the place. Hint text, kind of a placeholder. All right. So the next one is the password. So we just need to duplicate some things. That is reusing what we have done here. We can just Ctrl D, or you click here and duplicate. No, duplicate or Ctrl D. Alright, so remove one of this below. Yes, then we duplicate this too. Duplicate. Yes, then remove one of it below. Alright, then this one will be what? This one, okay, password. So this will be the same as this, 16 and medium, and this one is the same too. So this needs to say password. Then this one we can say enter password. Let's just pick, okay, you can simply put some dots here, kind of, yes. Okay, then we can turn on the password field. Okay, so we can have this icon, and for the text, let's give it a pattern from the top, 20. Yeah, 20. Okay, the image is a bit far from this one. Okay, 55. I think I've seen that from this one is going to be 55. 55. Yes. And 52. The distance between these ones is 52. Let me see. Okay, I suggested it's 20 from the text here. 20. Okay, that's fine. 10. Okay, just formally, let's just leave it at this one. Let me see. Okay, 20 now. From here should be 20. Okay, 20. That's fine. But I just prefer we should just remove it from this one, then add it to this one. Yes, say 20. Okay, so that is it. 20. What again? Then we have to add the sign in. Okay, sign in, yes, and let's have an account. So before we proceed, let's just select this one and copy. So we can reuse the other button again, the button we created, but first let's insert a row. Insert a row. Then we go to the other page. Let's go and copy that button. Yes, we're gonna take you. Follow us. Have a duplicate of this button. Let's take. Then put it here. Duplicate. Sorry, paste. Excuse me. Paste. Okay, let's paste it. Okay, this button has something here, so we're just gonna cut this away. We can add it to the row 60. Then we shift the button to the center. Yeah, so let's check something again. Let's check the distance of the button from, it's 50 of the button from the text widget here. So we are basically adding it to the row. Yes, since the button is inside the row, we add it to the row. Yeah. Then we add another row again. Add another row. This is where we paste that text we copied. Insert the text. Let me see if the text was too paste for me. Paste. Oh, I actually copied something else, so that's why it's gone. Let's copy again. Copy and we paste. Okay. So we have okay, we have a text here. This other one is sign up. There's a way we could do that better, but let's just do something that you understand at the beginning. Maybe when we will be adding the backend or so, we'll work on that. Set this to the center. Duplicate this text, Ctrl D. Then on this other one, I just have to delete this out and give it some spacing from the other one, 5, and this one is in blue. Let me see. Okay, this is the color here. Ctrl A, Ctrl copy. Let's Ctrl C to copy. Then text color. Just paste it from here. Ctrl V, enter. Alright, and it's ready. So we're gonna fix all of that. We are adding an action and all of that. Navigate to sign up page. Oh, this one should be sign up. Okay, this one was sign in here. Sign in. How did I forget? Sign in. Okay, sign in, and then if you don't, yes, you don't have an account, sign up. Oh, I have to get rid of this one. Yes, go away. Okay, you don't have an account, sign up. Yeah, So I hope you're enjoying this lesson so far. So we have created 2 pages already, 2 beautiful pages. So note, let's just put this inside this folder so that our page can be organized. So outside it, you can see we have 2 pages here. So you can create more folders. You can create pages on this icon here. This other one is for folders. So you can see how fast we can build with FlutterFlow, designing our application. No waste of time. We haven't imported this image. Did I? Okay, I downloaded it, I remember. So let's just go to this one, assets. No, upload. Okay, this one, open. Nope, come on. Okay, so our design is ready and complete. We have finished the second page. That's the sign-in page we just finished. That's one more thing we need to do. Okay, everything is fine. Everything is fine. So I hope you're enjoying this lesson. Please click on the subscribe button, like this page. You can share and also share your comments, share your thoughts on the comment section. Okay, share the page to the channel to your friends who are interested in learning such things like this. As we keep progressing, let's see how it looks like in the preview. Yes, let's see how it looks like in the preview page. Let's preview what we have done so far, and then we still have other pages. We still have this one, and okay, so just stay, build the page step by step. Things you don't understand, you can rewatch the video, or you ask a question in the comment section. I will attend to all of your questions. Okay, alright, so our preview is ready. Wow, it looks quite beautiful. It looks beautiful. So we navigate to the next page, and this is the second page we created. Okay, so see how beautiful it is, and then we shall continue this lesson, okay, in the next section. See you.